Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be working in my wellness section, which is two separate planners. One is a meal planner, the second one is a wellness planner. The meal planner is a classic size meal planner from the Happy Planner, which is one of their layouts. I am going to be working with a Happy Bloom sticker book. I haven't used that book in such a long time. I want to make something different this time. I haven't been using Happy Planner stickers as much, and I have a ton of them, so it's time to kind of get back to it and see what I can come up with them. So this is Happy Blooms. I'm gonna decorate quite a large section here with this blue one. This is August 8th through the 14th, and again, this is in my meal planner. And thank you so much for joining me. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome, and if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. So here we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of these really quite large flowers to my planner. I think that's gonna make quite an impact of the way things look. So here we go. I'm adding these humongous florals, like I said, and I'm just gonna make kind of sort of like a garden on the bottom. I think these look so beautiful mixed in like this. And I'll add the black and white details to this side of the page as well, so it doesn't look so strange. And let's see if I can maybe finish this off. Where could I put this? Let's see. I'm gonna put this first here, right underneath August. I think that is so bright and colorful and pretty. I can't get enough of it. So I'm gonna kind of do this a little bit and then cut off this section that's sticking out, and we'll use it somewhere else, no big deal. Yeah, I think this looks lovely and very inviting. Maybe I can put this in the sidebar. Yeah, I think that looks good. And I'm gonna place this right in the middle, like this. And I made sure I still have a room to write everything, so that worked out. It's not as large as the other one, and I'm gonna do the same thing up here. And then I'll add some leaves just for the fun of it. And I think that's good. So let's take a look. So again, that whole spread is made with Happy Blooms. It's quite large. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in my planner, and we're gonna go ahead and meal plan. So I always create this sheet with meal ideas, and that's usually for a reason, because when it comes to planning, my mind draws blank, so it's easier to do it with this. So first Monday, I think for breakfast, I'll just have some hard-boiled eggs. I usually cook quite a few of those and just keep them in my fridge. And then for lunch, I'll have leftovers because that's just a good thing to do. On Tuesday, I'll have oats or oatmeal. I'll just do overnight oats, and I think they'll be pretty good. And then leftovers. And then let's do breakfast and lunches for the rest of the week, and then I'll go ahead and go from there. So right now, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, we'll have smoothies, and then again leftovers, and then I'll have a brunch on both days. So I'll come up with some stuff to do for that. And then the most important meal, or at least the ones that I prep the most for, is my dinners. I hope you guys feel the same way. For me, dinner is the time where I'm catching up with my significant other over our day and make plans for future and a week and so on. So it's kind of good to have a nice wholesome meal. So we're gonna have rosemary garlic chicken, then chicken with fresh peas with sparkling wine sauce, maki maki tacos, I love those, pita pockets with some sweet potatoes, Southwest black bean burgers, or maybe a rice skillet. Let's do that. That's healthier. And then skillet pork chops with apple and onions. Doesn't that sound delicious? And then lettuce cups. I love making those for like a quick dinner, and then this way I don't have to worry about my week. Okay, so those are my plans. Now next up we're gonna do my wellness planner, which is the next section in my wellness. So here we go. This is the wellness section. Same week, I'm gonna actually try to use the same book and see what I can come up with. So let's take a look. I'm gonna go ahead and take also quite large florals and maybe fill in that bottom section like so. So this is still very much happy blooms. Look at these are so beautiful. I love making these colorful spreads in summer, actually all year long. Something about flowers just makes me super happy. I'm very much a floral girl. My home is very plain. It doesn't have a lot of color in it. It's just gray, navy, and then lots of greenery. But it doesn't really have as much color, so I think this is why my spreads are kind of wild with color sometimes. Don't get me wrong, I do love a good nude spread, but I think these are just so much more appealing, and I really like elegant ones. So this is not as elegant, it's kind of wild and all over the place, but if you guys go through my channel you will know which ones I'm talking about. There's some that just really speak to me. So I'm just making a quick line of flowers down here to separate some stuff. Just adding more and more. See if that's enough. That's actually pretty good, huh? So I'm just gonna remove this little green piece, and I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, that's good. And now I'm just gonna grab some floral washi that will look pretty decent with this color scheme. I don't know which one I should take. I have so many washes, you guys. I get lost in the shuffle of using them. I don't know if you guys feel the same way. How many washes have you collected? Let me know down below how many washes have you collected, because yeah, washi land can be crazy. Let me see if I can use this and kind of play with the colors, because it has a little bit of everything in here too. So there's some blues and some pinks, so I might bring that out. There we go. And some gold too. But I don't mind that. I'm gonna just highlight the two sections that I'm not decorating, and then this way it will feel like I have decorated it. Okay, here we go. And now I'm gonna take a pen and make some bullet points as always. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and add maybe pink bullets to this with my little bullet point. Okay, so I'm making 2 for every single day. One is actually counting movement, the other one is reminding me to take my meds, which is not a bad thing, right? All of us should be taking medicine if you have prescriptions. So this is just a quick reminder, and I can hold myself accountable because I actually have to write it down. And then in the nutrition section, I'm going to make some bullets as well. Like so. So 4 for every day, and I'm making blue ones for that one to bring in the blue flowers. Okay, almost done. I hope you guys enjoyed the spread. Like I said, I know it's a little bit different. It's very bold and bright, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already following me but you enjoy this, please follow me. I would really appreciate if you could do that for me. And I'm gonna pop this back in my planner, and that's all I have for you guys. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you very soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.